afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So today, before you, we have Muyonjo Daniela. I'm in senior 5, combination 10. So today, we have him.
Yeah. Hello, my name is Busura Alvin David. I do COM, that is physics, fine art, mathematics, and stroke ICT. And today we are going to talk about the smartboard in Maryland and its effectiveness towards our study. So Daniela is going to give us the advantages about using a smartboard.
Smartboard. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have been acquainted with this smartboard in Maryland. Yes, very many other schools have it, of which we are lucky when Maryland has them, and we have encountered very many importances with this. First of all, I want to let you know that this right here has made learning so much fun for the students, because before we used to, okay, I don't want to generalize, but a big percentage of people usually doze in class. But with this, it's harder to doze. Why? Because it's something visual. You get it? It's visual. It's fun for the students to watch rather than sitting, writing notes. It's kind of boring. So smartboards have really helped us with that. And smartboards also make it better for us to retain the information faster, because they play documentaries and these videos, and that gives us visual memories, which are way better than just imagining the things a teacher comes on board and it's like, this happens like this and that, and you're just imagining it in your head. But here, you get to see how it all goes.
The teachers can show that via diagrams, them illustrating via patterns and structure looks.
You can just
draw and because we have a variety of modules to work with. This is mostly user-friendly. By user-friendly, I mean anyone can learn how to use this. Not that learn how to use this, but directly someone you just put in front of this screen will know what to do once you just tell them start operating this.
Because if we take a look at these features right here, you can just know automatically that this is for wrapping, these are for, writing. It's so easy to learn how to use the smart board. That's why we really love it, because some teachers,
oh no,
with their chalk, it's not okay for some of the allergic
it's especially those ones with special medical attention.
Exactly.
Yeah, I remember a time when I was in class and chalk really used to nag my eyes. That's very uncomfortable. Yeah. And this increases creativity between students, learning how to use varieties of colors graphically.
Yeah, and it also increases the interactions of the students as well as the teacher, because they get to see what the teacher is actually talking about, so they find it easier for them to relate with the teacher. That's why when we are using the smart board, the students easily give answers in class because they know what the teacher is talking about. Don't you think so?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, they easily interact with the teacher, unlike those ones whom you ask questions and they just keep quiet so they know.
Actually, that also arouses interest between the students. They'd be like, what's next? Because there's no way you can tell me you can do when there's a screen in front of you.
I personally can't.
And then
this smart board, oh my,
Then we have videography. Audio access to the. Okay, let me cut that out. Let me talk about how we can use imagery to teach learners how to learn information via context, actually particular concepts in notes they study about. Displaying that via video will increase their diversity in their minds and like you really understand the concept via video.
Yeah. True. Indeed.
And that's via YouTube platforms, because it's majorly where we do that from, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
YouTube platforms, true. And it's also, yeah, I was saying it's really quicker for the teachers to use the smart boards. We find ourselves covering content faster than usual because the teacher is not going to write, right? They usually take a long time while writing, as
And
well
then
as the students.
yeah, there's more space to deal with if you just skip from that to the next page, because you can just wipe all this off. You can,
Exactly.
yeah.
It's
And then
it's so easy. I can just click here and all it
if
will
you
be
go
gone.
on,
Than nominating a
let's see,
student to come
and rub the.
if they don't touch the chalk dance. Oh my god, no, no, no. So yes, that's why we love the smart boards America.
And we can also learn all this information via going to search websites like Google. If you're in class and your teacher is telling you to go for an assignment to search about.
This is Manana Nicholas from Merryland High School, coming from the Form 6 class. Merryland High School has incorporated the use of new ICT into the new curriculum by introducing smartboards into the classrooms that we have. This has made the learning process more practical, easier, and engaging to both the students and teachers at school.